What's going on, guys? Hope everyone had a good weekend, and in today's video I want to discuss two main topics. Firstly, we want to go through my trading 212 plan for this week in terms of investing, and second of all, I want to give a quick update on the competition. I am currently giving away €50 for getting to 500 subscribers, so I just want to give a quick update on that also. But just before we get into today's video, as always, if you're new around here, please consider subscribing to the channel as we're getting closer to our next goal of 600 subscribers. And with all that being said, let's dive right onto my trading 212 portfolio. So to kick this week's trading off, I deposited €100 a while ago. Now this €100 I will be investing tomorrow. We can see here that we have €100 free funds, which we have 5,817 invested, which gives us just under €6,000 overall in the account. And again, if you've been following this channel and any of my prior videos, you know that my overall investment goal is to get €100,000 invested in the stock market. So it's kind of exciting now to see that we're nearly 6% of the way there. And another thing you'd realize as well is that I'm all for dollar cost averaging. So with this €100, we're going to invest that and split into 5 ways. So we're going to invest in 5 different companies, €20 into each company for the 5 worst performing stocks in my overall portfolio, with the hope over the long term to get a better dollar cost average, effectively increasing my overall profit. Also, just a quick pointer as well is that you should never, if you're investing in long term, you should never invest while the stock market opens in the mornings, well, 2:30 or 2:30 GMT Irish time for the US markets to open. You should always wait until later in the evening, as there's usually a bit of a sell-off, and especially tomorrow now there probably will be quite hype, because again there was holidays both on Friday and it finished early on Thursday as well because of New Year's and New Year's Eve. So definitely, if I was you, if you're investing tomorrow like me, I'm going to wait until mid to the end of the day to invest the €100, because I believe I'll get a better value. So what I'll do now is I'm going to look through each of my 12 portfolio price very quickly and just make a quick note of companies that are in the red or below 2% or so, and I'll just make a quick note on a blank Excel, and at the end we will decide which 5 companies we'll invest in today. My communication services pie, we can see here that the one that sticks out is Verizon. We only have €13.50 invested at the moment, but it's currently down 3.4%. So Verizon will be the first company we're going to put on today's list. Then if we go down the list here into consumer discretionary, I'm going to leave it for now because McDonald's is currently on 1.65%, but it's not below the 2 or 3% threshold. It was last week. If you watched the prior videos, it was down about 4 or 5%, and I did kind of up my value in this company, effectively improving my dollar cost averaging and bringing it back to about 1.6% in the red. So we're going to leave that for now as well today. In consumer staples, we can see here straight away the 2 that stick out are Beyond Meat and Walmart. So we're going to just stick 2 of those in here as well. And effectively then at the end of the video we'll see how many we have in total, and then decide which ones we're actually going to invest in. If we go down the list here, we can see in my energy sector pie all are healthily in the green, so we're not going to touch those in tomorrow. ETF all fine as well. In my financial sector pie, we can see that all 5 are well in the green as well, so we're not going to touch those. In healthcare now, we can see that 3 of the 5 are currently in the green, and the one that kind of sticks out here as such would be Pfizer. We only have €52 invested, but it's down about 2.78%. So this is the company we're going to add into the list from this sector. In the industrial pie, we can see here that Boeing and FedEx are the 2 in the red. So we're going to add 2 of those into the preliminary list as well. So Boeing and FedEx from the industrial sector. In materials, we can see 4 of the 5 in the red. And again, the overall pie is currently 8.4% in the red, and that's mainly due to Barrick Gold. We currently have €300 invested and been dollar cost averaging the last week or so. It was down about 15% at one stage, but it's now down to 10% at the moment. So I have put money in here over the last few weeks. So we're actually not going to touch this company for the time being until I do more fundamental analysis into the company to see if anything has changed. We then have my real estate pie. We will be putting one of the companies in here into the preliminary list as well, and that will be the form of Essex Property Trust, which is currently down 2.62%. Now, real estate was about 4 or 5% in the green, or in the red, about 2 weeks ago, but it's now kind of back to parity again, so I'm quite happy with that. My tech sector pie, again, is my largest sector. We have over €1,100 invested and we're up 10.64%, and I'm going to leave this pie for now. We can see IBM here. We only have €10 invested at the moment, but it's only down about 1.44, and as you've seen already, We have more companies that are down more than that, so we're going to leave this company for now. Also, in my utility sector pie, two companies here that kind of stick out would be Brookfield Infrastructure is down 3.4% and Consolidated Edison is down 2.24%, so they'll be on the preliminary list also. So that then leaves us with 7 companies that we've picked out from the list today. We only can have 5, as I said, as I want to put €20 into each. So the preliminary list consists of Verizon, which is in communication services, Beyond Meat and Walmart is in consumer staples, Pfizer again is in the healthcare sector, Essex Property Trust is in the real estate, and Consolidated Edison and Brookfield Infrastructure are both in the utility sector pie. So actually, after thinking about it there, I'm actually going to leave all 7 companies in, and we're going to weight it out this way. So Verizon, we're going to put €20, 20 into Beyond Meat, Walmart and Pfizer, 10 into Essex Property Trust, and €5 each into my utility sector companies in the form of Consolidated Edison and Brookfield Infrastructure. And up next, just let's have a quick update in terms of the competition that I wanted to hold for the 500 subscriber giveaway in the form of a €50 voucher. So just a quick update on the 500 subscriber giveaway that I mentioned at the start of this month. I will be announcing the winner next Friday during my weekly portfolio trading 212 update. So be sure to be in with a chance to win that. So if you haven't, or if you weren't aware, should I say, of this competition, all you need to do basically is like the video, make sure you're subscribed, and also comment below with a hashtag 500 with your goals or plans investing wise or otherwise for 2021, and we're going to pick the winner out of a hat next Friday, so be sure to enter. And it's also worth noting that you can comment on as many videos as you want, but it's only one entry per video. So hashtag 500 with your 2021 goals or objectives for investing or otherwise. And with that being said, that brings the end to today's video. I just wanted to give a brief update on the start of the week in terms of what I'm investing in and my reasoning behind it. And I also just wanted to give a quick update in terms of the competition. So if you found this video anyway helpful or entertaining, it'd be brilliant if you consider liking the video. And again, it'd be brilliant if you would consider subscribing. And also comment below hashtag 500 with your goals or objectives for 2021. Thanks very much guys, and I will see y'all in tomorrow's video.